Hi everyone! In this lecture, I want to show you a small trick that you can use to reset or crack the grace period of your RDS server. Of course, this is not recommended and you have to buy licenses, but just in case, maybe sometimes you want to test small things on your server, maybe you want to access the server in an urgent situation for your clients and so on, and you want to reset the grace period. You can see here the grace period says you have 119 days. Let's see how to reset this. Simply run your registry editor and here go to HKey local machine, go to system, current control set, control and search for terminal services or terminal server. In it we have the RCM key. Open it and we have the grace period. Simply just right click and delete this key and restart your server. Sometimes if you delete this key, it will show you that we cannot delete it, we have an error. This is simply because you don't have permission to delete it. Simply right click and click on permissions, then go to administrators and check full control and click apply. Okay, and now you will be able to delete this key normally. Very nice. Just now restart your server or restart your remote desktop services. Here in your server, just go to services.msc or simply right click on the start menu and click on computer management and go to services. Just run now services MSC or management console and go down. We will have remote desktop services, licensing and management. Just restart these services and everything will be fine and the grace period will be again to 120 days. As I told you, this is not recommended, just I'm telling you that for urgent situations only. Thank you for following and see you in the next lecture.